Hey everybody, and welcome back to Spirit Seers Cocktail Corner. As you can see, we're back in the Dark Water Lagoon, and that means it's time for another tiki drink. This cocktail is called Holiday for the Devil. It uses gin as the main spirit, which isn't super common in tiki, and so I'm really excited to share it with you. So, let's get started. First things first, this is a shaken cocktail. So we're just going to get our small tin ready, and we're going to start things off with 1.5 ounces of gin. This is Water Pocket Distillery's Temple of the Moon gin. It's one of my favorites just because it, to me, is a little bit less on the juniper side, which is nice. So 1.5 ounces to start. I'm going to do about 1/4 ounce to 1/2, depending on your taste. I'll probably split the difference and do 1/3 of Aperol. Then we're going to go with 1 ounce of pineapple rum. And for this, I'm using Plantation's Stiggins pineapple rum. It's real rum that they macerate with pineapples, so there's no artificial flavor in this. And it's really one of the very few pineapple rums that there's nothing fake added. So 1 ounce. Perfect. Then we're going to go with 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. I have that pre-measured here. We're going to throw in 1 ounce of mango juice, which I also have pre-measured here. And then to sweeten this cocktail, not that it needs too much, but the Aperol is a little bit bitter, so we need to balance that out. We're going to use some orgeat. We're going to do about 1/2 ounce. And again, this is Bar Daddy's orgeat. It's a local Salt Lake company, and you can pick it up at Caputo's or caputos.com. If you live here in the state, they'll ship it to you for free. All right, now that we've got our cocktail built, we're going to go ahead and add some ice to our shaker. We'll shake this up. But first, I want to prepare my glass. This is just a double rocks glass. I'm going to add some ice to this, just so our cocktail, takes up the whole glass. It'll also provide a foundation for some of our garnishes to stick in there, which, when you're talking about tiki cocktails, can be pretty important. So, stick this here, and we'll add some ice to our shaker. And shake away. All right, so I am going to strain this. Let's get our Hawthorne strainer on here. Kind of a creamsicle orange color, which is a little unusual. We'll garnish that with a couple of pineapple fronds, if it'll give them up. I like to kind of arrange mine like this. Stick those right in there. And then we'll chuck a Surfside Sip straw in there, a nice green to match our pineapple. And then I'm just going to do a couple of drops of Angostura on the top to kind of give it a little bit of a spicy nose. All right, so this is the Holiday for the Devil. Let's see what it tastes like. It's really good. It does kind of have, ironically enough, a bit of a creamsicle flavor. The pineapple and mango combine, and it's very smooth. And I think that smooth mouthfeel, that silkiness comes from the orgeat for sure. The Aperol is definitely there, but the bitter is really far back in the palate. It's more of an aftertaste than anything, and it's just very, very, very faint. The gin brings a lot of floral notes to this, and it feels clean as you sip on it. The flavors are very bright, it's crisp, and it's a little bit dry, which we would expect for a gin cocktail. The pineapple rum is in there. It kind of rounds things out nicely. The caramel notes come through. The kind of that molasses and roasted pineapple flavor that you get from this Stiggins is definitely present. So all in all, I think it's a really good cocktail. If you decide to try it, be sure to let us know down in the comments what you thought and what you used for your gin especially. Also be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. We'd love to have you along on this little trip of ours, and we've got a lot of amazing stuff planned. If you want to get a hold of some of these awesome straws, you can click the link down below in the description to use our Surfside Sips affiliate portal, and if you use our discount code Spirit Seers, all one word, you'll get 20% off your order. You can also find a link to our Teespring store down there. And you can follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So until next time, guys, keep the spirit, and we'll see you next time.